Sn by n equivalent to 2. N lies from 450 to 500. 450 to 500. Find the value of n. Seems to be a very difficult question, but actually it's an easy question. 2. Some perfect number is a number whose sum of the reciprocal of the factors is 2. Right? Mahesh, for you, what is a perfect number? Perfect number and perfect square are different to each other. What did I say? Sn by n is 2. Sn is nothing but 2 into n. That means, for example, if I take 6, what are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. If I add all the factors of 6, sum of the factors is 1 plus 2, 3, 6, 12. 12 is nothing but 2 times 6. 12 is nothing but 2 times 6. If the sum of the factors is 2 times the number, if the sum of the factors is 2 times the number, then the number is said to be a perfect number. Or in other words, if I delete that original number, sum of the factors excluding the original number should be equivalent to the number itself. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. If the sum of the reciprocal of the factors is 2, then the number is a perfect number. If the sum of the factors is twice the original number, then the number is a perfect number. If sum of the factors excluding the original number, excluding the original number, it is equivalent to the original number, right? It will be there. Anup, definitely it will be even, right? Where is the question of it becoming odd? Rambabu, it cannot become an odd number. Why? Because what is the form of the number? 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. Any number multiplied by 2, this will become an even number. This will become an even number. This will become an even number. Even number, right? So p value 2 not possible, p value 3 not possible. This should be a prime number. The entire catch is because 2 power p minus 1 is a prime number, that will result in p value a prime number. P value a prime number. A prime number, right? So this is nothing but Praveen garu chestaradu p equivalent to 5. If I take 2 power 4 16, 2 power 5 minus 1 31, 31 into 16 is 496. 496. Answer for this question is 496. Rakesh, concentrate on the class. At the end we can discuss. Bitcoin lover, please unnecessarily don't waste your time asking something in the middle of a concept. At the end of the class, if you are interested, you can ask, right? If you don't like the class, you should not purchase it, because I have a style of teaching, and my style of teaching is thematic based learning, non-formula based, or even if I tell the formula, I will tell the logic behind that formula. Please remember, Sn by n is 2. The entire logic is in determining that the number is a perfect number. Perfect number. A perfect number. Till now there are few perfect numbers which are exist. All the perfect numbers lies between 6 or 8. All the perfect numbers lies between 6 or 8. Any perfect square will be of the form 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1 into 2 power p minus 1. These 2 power p, Rambabu, 2 power p minus 1 should be a prime number. Please acknowledge in the live chat yes if this concept is clear to you. This concept is clear to you. This concept is clear to you, right? Anup Singh, yes, you are right. Like that, please Google it. There are 23 different type of prime numbers which you will find it in Google, right? Next, Balaji, how it is 5? Good question. P cannot be 2. If P is 2, the number will become 6. If P is 3, the number will become 28. If P is 5, the number lies between 450 to 500, which is 496. Key point 1, sum of factors. Key point 2, sum of reciprocal of factors. Key point 3. Key point 3, P is a prime number. Keep substituting prime numbers. Check which prime number value lies in between these range. P2 cannot be substituted. P3 cannot be substituted. The prime number which will satisfy is P value 5. Key point 2 also over. Key point 3. Key point 3. Sum of the factors which are multiples of k. SK concept. Sum of the factors which are multiples of k. Sum of the factors which are multiples of k. Sum of the factors which are multiples of k. First concept with an example. Then we will take a practice question. Concept with an example. Suppose 12 is there. 12 is there, right? 12 is there. Factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Right? Suppose if the range is bigger, Sai Kiran, if the range is bigger, keep substituting prime values, check where the range lies, which involves a lot of calculation time. P7, P11, P13, like that substitute. There is no other way. Like we got an Armstrong numbers, we got an Fibonacci numbers, we got these perfect numbers. They behave in a particular pattern. Fibonacci numbers behave in a particular pattern. Armstrong numbers behave in a particular pattern. This behaves in a particular pattern. Right? Now see here. 12. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. 2 square into 3 power 1. Now what I will do is, sum of the factors which are, first question, multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. Which all factors are there? 2, 4, 6 and 12. So generically the value is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12. But if you are to write it mathematically, sum of the factors is 2 power 0, 2 power 2 power 2 into 3 power 0, 3 power 1. 3 power 1. It is multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 means it should start from 2. What are the multiples of 2? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. It should start from 2. Erase this value. It is starting from 2. There is no restriction on 3. So this can be written as 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 into 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So if it is multiples of 12, start from the lowest power of prime bases, which will result in 12. I will do 2 more examples, it will be clear. Multiples of 2. Any multiple of 2 is nothing but 2k. Minimum power of 2 should be 1. So 2 power 0 is eliminated. 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 into 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1. Few more examples. Few examples. This is a very smaller number. Few examples. N equivalent to 360. 360 is nothing but 72 into 5. 72 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. First question, S12. What is S12? S12 is sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12. Listen carefully to the way I am solving. Any multiple of 12 is of the form 12k. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. Minimum power of 2 to get 12 is 2 square. So instead of doing from 2 power 0, start from 2 square. 2 square plus 2 cube. Minimum power of 3 should to get 12 is 3 power 1. Don't start from 3 power 0. So it is 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2. There is no restriction on 5. So it will be 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. 5 power 0 plus 5 power 1. Now if you observe, you multiply any values present in the bracket, every value will be divisible by 12. 4 3s are 12, 12 1s are 12. 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. 8 3s are 24, 24 1s are 24. 8 9s are 72, 72 5s are 360. Because to get 12, the minimum power of 2 should be 2. Minimum power of 3 should be 1. So it should start with, it will start with 2 square and it will start with 3 power 1. One more example which we will solve. The more and more examples you solve, the more and more clarity you will get it. Second question. Sum of the factors which is a multiple of 30. Sum of the factors which is a multiple of 30. 30 is nothing but 2 into 3 into 5. So minimum power of 2 should be, it should start from 2 power 1. 2 power 1 plus remaining all the powers till 3. 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3. Minimum power of 3 is 3 power 1, 3 power 2. There is restriction on 5 also, so 5 power 1. This is the answer for sum of the factors which are multiples of 30. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if this concept 3 is clear to you. Concept 3, if it is clear to you, kindly reply. Kindly reply if this concept is clear to you. Everybody, don't worry about the answer. Amit, I think you are new to my YouTube channel. I will never ask students answer. No tamasha in our classes. No entertainment in our classes. No non-academic discussion. No cinemas or shairis. Complete straight onto the subject. No need to say any answer. आप लोग क्लास में only thing which is required is come on time and watch the session. That's all. Sum of the, right? Naveen, why it should be 3 power 0? 30 is starting from 3 power 1. So it is 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2. 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2. Rest is 5 power 1. Sum of the factors which are multiples of 12 over sum of the factors which are multiples of 30 over. Everybody says